literally got to the point now where we can see over the clouds. If I'd slipped off, it'd take a while to hit bottom, wouldn't it? This is a Col de la Machine. It's a new day, Mediterranean. Absolutely fantastic. Jamais pas Pooley on the Deauville. You got this massive body of water that is Lake Geneva. We're in a different country. We've just gone international, haven't we? I'm crying. This is lovely, this is. Going through all this like agricultural stuff. We've got a bit of maize, it looks like. Missed it like before I switched camera on. There were sunflower fields. Absolutely fantastic. It's quite nice. It's quite nice, actually, if I may say so myself. Look at that over there. Whoa. What are these first, actually? Sunflowers, there you go. There's some sunflowers. Yeah, they look a bit dead, actually. Dead sunflowers, and just past the sunflowers we've got like I don't know, the local plantation. Yeah, look at this in nets. That's the local plantation. This is where Snoop Dogg takes his holidays, isn't it? Comes down France. Oh no, they're actually apple trees, it looks like. For wine. I guess Snoop Dogg doesn't come here after all. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, it smells very very clean and fresh, and it's good for you, all that stuff. Fantastic. Look at this, we've got people picking a bit of fruit or something, people buying a bit of fruit, and then we're overlooked by all these mountains and stuff. It's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. We've got to be close to Grenoble at this point. Gotta be. Look at this, we've got like little fruit trees. Fantastic. Swamp plants. Those like buds that like disintegrate into a load of fluff. Access Grenoble. 1 hour 53? You gotta be having a giraffe. Flipping out. Look at that. I've got to turn the camera back on for this. Oh, some mountainy stuff in distance. Maybe that's the because. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not a geography expert. It looks nice though, doesn't it? There's a strange pole up on that hill, flashing. Probably not able to see that. Sorry if it's a bit blowy. Can't figure out the right position for my windshield. I changed it earlier and I wish I didn't, because it's not right now. Excuse me, it keeps wobbling around, it does. I think there's too much air resistance. Science stuff. Fantastic. Grenoble. Sounds a bit Russian, doesn't it? But it's Grenoble. It's like 90 clicks, 90 kilometers, which is about 55 miles to go. 55 miles of this, don't mind if I do. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this. Look at that. A couple of funny looking rocks. The latest sight on our grand tour. Wonder what that is at the top. How the hell do you build something up there? What's the point? I'm sure someone might know the answer. That's perhaps watching this video, but there you go. Still on the way to Grenoble. Bloody Garibaldi. There's a better view of that weird building at the top of a rock. Still on where I think there's about... Oh, I read the sign wrong earlier. If I keep that bit in video, I said there were about 90 kilometres to go. Well, and then I passed a sign that said like 99 kilometres. So unless I went wrong way, then it's about 90 now. I think something like that. Well, anyway, I best carry on. Let's carry on. I've got no music on. Intercom's died. I can't talk to anyone. So I've just got the wind, the noise of the wind to keep me company. Yeah. It's nice scenery though. Lovely scenery. A bit of traffic, but nothing too bad. There's a little stream for you, French stream. Also known as La Aqua. It's not really. I don't know the French word for stream. Well, there's some nice scenery for you, and a bridge, fromage, sign that says cheese on it. Still on the way to Grenoble. Not there yet. I reckon it's about 30 mile. Although it's quite nippy behind these mountains. Probably don't look like I'm next to one right now, but I am. Or just a big landmass. Sorry if you can hear some whistling. Oh shit. Yeah, whistling. Whistle, whistle, whistle. My helmet's whistling. There's the latest update for you. I don't know if it was doing it anyway, but it is now. So only when I'm in the gustage though, in the windy bits. Scratch my nose while I go around this corner. Nicely done, Pooley, nicely done. Right, fantastic. We're still not at Grenoble. It's about 55 kilometres, I reckon, for those Europeans watching, if there's any. Nice little backdrop though. Look at that. We've got some mountains, a couple of fields, French fields. Some trees and a couple clouds. That's the current sit rep, folks. I'll update you when we're closer. I'm ready to get off the bum. I'm ready to rest me bum, to be honest. Ready to rest me bum. Fantastic view though. Look at this. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this. I'll keep camera on for a few more minutes, tell you what, and show you a nice view. Because I'm nice like that. Fantastic. Look at these mountain ranges. Oh. One, so let me go around this corner a bit. There you go, you get a better look now, look. Ah. Fantastic. Very yellow. The landscape's very yellow. Got a couple of mountains, and yeah, it's just grand in general. Beneview and Treves. Oh, I don't bloody know. Oh, I'm ready for a beer. That's what I'm ready for. I'm not ready to speak French. I'm ready for a beer. Although I'm gonna have to speak French to get that beer. I'll be like, un grande beer, s'il vous plaît. Grand, big beer. That's basically the most common phrase that I've used, and that'll be fantastic. Once we're at the hotel, last night's hotel actually had a bar. It did. Had some Kronenberg. Fantastic. Look at that. Yeah, Kronenberg. Couple Kronenbergs down me. It was delightful. We've got a nice bend here, look. Try not to scrape me exhaust again. It's happened a few more times, that has. I'm not very happy. Bloody the Motard exhaust, it hangs a bit. It must hang. Oh, I don't know. Maybe you're just not supposed to lean it that far. I'm just that much of a badass. Daredevil. Yeah. So I've got a bit of a scratchy exhaust now, a scratched exhaust, just like the scratchy throat. Still works fine. It's not bent the bracket, thankfully. Otherwise, I would be in a world of hurt. But yeah, I'll take it steady on these right-handers. Although some of them you can't help it. You just have to like get a nice lean in. Well, anyway, we'll pick this up a bit down the road. Yeah. So ta-ta again. Cheerio. I'll see you in a few kilometres. I'm like a bullet. Yes. Oh, gosh, a bit. I was doing that because it's so loud. I've not got my earplugs in. I'm looking through this like little gap in between the screens. That must be the civilization we're heading towards. AD on the GTI is not impressed by the absolute speed of the DeVille. I mean, he's probably in like second gear still. Oh, that's a bit better there. I'm getting a bit buffed in, but it's a lot quieter. You can probably hear me just fine. If I do that, it's bloody awful. Do this, it's nice and peaceful. Awful, peaceful. Awful, peaceful. I hope we get there soon, because this is so I don't like this. I don't like this sort of it's a bit blowy. We've got mountains there, look. Mountains, bit of sunshine breaking through clouds, fantastic. There's a slight nip in the air when you're in the shade. No can be done about that. But yeah, there you go. We've got a sign with a lady on, or a man. Oh, it's a man with a newspaper or something. I'm doing a crossword. Oh, we're doing an overtake. Here we go. Pure speed. Very relaxing, just here. I'm probably getting about 10 miles a gallon at this rate of knots, but there you go. It's just the nature of the beast. Pure speed, come on! Air brake! Rah! Yeah, it's a bit wobbly on the old DeVille at these sorts of speeds, as you can probably not tell because it's on video. Kind of smoothens everything out. You can probably tell about with how much me little windshield's shaking around. It's I'm surprised it's not cracked or anything, that's for sure. After all that Péage a few days ago. Come on, streamline. There we go, we're like a bullet. Come on. I can withstand a little bit more blowy. Power! Oh, almost there. I can't help it, I've only got a couple of hamsters in there running around in a flipping wheel. Oh, Seyssins. Well, we're near Grenoble. I'm a bit deaf, can't hear out. This must be where the old digs is. Oh, VFR. Fantastic. Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes. Oh, this must be it. This is nice, isn't it? Ooh. Very nice. Fantastic.